So the question is Huawei really getting globally recognized again? As a YouTuber, I've noticed that after the ban, a lot of tech creators slowly stopped covering Huawei smartphones and other Huawei products. Even the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, one of their best-selling phones, was hardly reviewed by anyone. The reason? It's simple: no Google services. How could tech reviewers recommend a phone without that? I get it, but completely ignoring their phones or completely ignoring the brand itself, that's a bit much. But now, things are changing. I feel like Huawei is making a comeback globally, especially after launching the Huawei Mate X-T, the triple folding phone. Well, this device is a game changer in terms of innovation. Even MKBHD, one of the biggest tech YouTubers in the US, made a video on it and he is impressed. Not just him, major tech website and content creators are talking about this phone, and it's clear that Huawei is back on the radar. Plus, here's the thing. Huawei knew that to get back into the global spotlight, they needed to do something different, something extraordinary. And with the Huawei Mate X-T, they've done that exactly. Well, it's not just a foldable, it's a triple folding phone, something that truly stands out in the market. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying this just because MKBHD made a video on it. I've done my research and it's clear that after launching the Huawei Mate X-T, more and more people are interested in buying Huawei phones again. And yes, MKBHD reviewing this phone is important. Why? Because he didn't review the Huawei Mate 60 Pro or talk about the Huawei's Harmony OS Next operating system, but he chose this phone. That says a lot about how unique this device is. So, what do you think? Can Huawei reclaim its place as a top global brand again? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.